you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way.
Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Couple of months back I made a video on my current morning routine, and this video is a continuation of that. It is about my current evening and nighttime routine. This is my personal routine which fulfills my requirements, and there is no need to compare it with yours. We all are different individuals and have different circumstances and priorities in life. Earlier, before pandemic, my mornings used to be very calm and peaceful, and in the current situation it's totally opposite. Mornings are busy and hectic, and evenings are quieter and more peaceful. If you haven't watched my morning routine video as yet, you can find the link in the description box and at the end of the video. Now, let's get started. Around 3 o'clock, while my son is playing in his room, I do my shoots at this time, which usually goes till 4:30 p.m. Those days when there is no shoot, I spend this time playing with my son for half an hour. Then I go to my room and take some rest. I either take a short power nap or just watch some videos or series. At around 4:30 p.m. I go to the kitchen to prepare some snacks for Atharv. By this time my husband also comes back from work. Earlier we used to have tea in the evening, but nowadays we have switched to fresh lime or sattu, which is great in summers. Sattu drink is very easy to make. Just add 2 spoons of sattu in the glass, some black salt and chaat masala. Now add chopped onions and green chilies and some half lemon juice. Now add water. Mix it well and your delicious and healthy sattu drink is ready. For Atharv, I am making very quick and easy sweet puffed rice, which is also called bhunja. For this, take some puffed rice in a bowl, add 2 spoons melted ghee and 1 spoon sugar. Mix it well and the tasty, yummy snack is ready. Atharv enjoys it with his fresh lime. Actually, me and my husband too enjoy this snack a lot and keep borrowing it from his bowl. Around 5 o'clock, Atharv sits down to attend his online class. At present, his school session is over and a new session will start in June. To keep him in touch with studies, we enrolled him with SwiftLearn, and this video is powered by them, an online platform of teaching and learning. They have great engaging sessions which kids enjoy. One-on-one sessions which ensures great attention to the students.
Ants.
Ants, very good. John, ants money by the location. Very good. Oh, you know floating also. Backward. Wow. I will buy a laptop.
Future tense.
Very good.
Everything is based on concept learning, which provides a strong foundation from the beginning. My son enjoys this study time and looks forward to the class. Courses are curated as per grades. Most of the syllabus consists of English, Advanced and Spoken, Maths, Maths Olympiad, Science and Money Education, which is very interesting and attracted my attention. If you are looking for a great online platform for your kid, then book a demo with SwiftLearn today. All the details are given in the description box. We have also enrolled him in Taekwondo classes, which happens twice in a week. These classes used to happen physically, but reimposition of restrictions has left no choice but to switch to online mode. While Atharv takes his classes, I go to the kitchen and prepare dinner. This is the best time for me to finish all the kitchen related work. We eat very simple meals which can be prepared quickly. Mostly it is dal, sabzi and rice. Chapati mostly we eat in the afternoon nowadays. At this time, I finished some other chores as well, like putting back all the washed and dried dishes from morning and afternoon. Also, if any cleaning is pending that I couldn't do in the morning, I would do at this time. Like cleaning a drawer or setting vegetables in the fridge. Filling up jars with groceries, etc. I clean the countertop after preparing dinner except for the hob as it remains hot for some time. I clean it later in the night. By the time I finish my kitchen work, Atharv is also done with his class. Around 6:15 or 6:30 we get ready to go down. We take him down for cycling. Dedicated play areas are closed in our city. He enjoys cycling and running while we enjoy our evening walk at this time. Around 7:30 we come back home. After washing hands thoroughly, we change our clothes and go straight to the kitchen to pick up our dinner. We usually eat our dinner around 7:30 to 8 only. By the time we come back home after a walk, we are very hungry. Preparing food on time keeps me stress and hassle free. Sometimes when I don't prepare food before going down for a walk, it becomes a rush and stressful situation for me. Atharv gets really hungry at this time and starts looking for dinner as soon as he comes back home. So preparing dinner in advance is my lifesaver. We enjoy our dinner together, sometimes on the dining table and sometimes in the living room. Sometimes Atharv keeps eating forever. Around 8:30 after finishing dinner, Atharv and my husband play some games. My son really looks forward to having some good playtime with his father. While they play, I wind up for the day, clean the dining table and hob, arrange the living room quickly. Usually Atharv keeps his toys back after playing and keeps his room clean, but I still have to go and pick up some random stuff from the floor and arrange. I just give a small round everywhere and that's it. Thorough cleaning and organizing are usually done in the morning only. At this time, I load the dishwasher and hand wash a few utensils which can't be washed in the dishwasher. Then clean the sink and area around nicely. If it's a laundry day tomorrow, I put the clothes in the washing machine and set the timer for 6 AM for machine to start next day. By the time I get up and start my morning chores, one load of laundry will be already done. I also set curd at this time. I have this curd maker which really helps making tasty and thick curd. All this winding up chores takes about 30 minutes. Before I go to our bedroom, I keep this bag outside our door for milk. Around 9 p.m., I come back to my room. Sometimes I join my son and husband in their game, but mostly I prefer to read 2-3 pages of any book at this time. Nowadays, I don't get time in the morning to read, so I try to utilize this time in reading. We don't watch TV much on weekdays. On weekends, sometimes we watch a movie at night. We also encourage Atharv to read a chapter or any story at this time. Around 9:30, I give my husband and Atharv a glass of milk. I don't drink milk as I don't like the taste. While they are drinking milk, I just quickly make a to-do list for tomorrow. I always write down things which need to be done the next day. Shoot-related work, important meetings, phone calls and emails. This really helps me to stay productive. Around 10 p.m. Atharv brushes his teeth. He has become independent now and does his things by himself. I just quickly go to washroom, brush my teeth and do my nighttime skincare routine. I recently developed this habit and I am enjoying it thoroughly. Nighttime skin routine not only has improved my skin but also helps me in better sleep. And that's all. After this, we just go to bed and instantly doze off. Here I would like to reiterate that this is just my routine and it does change sometimes according to my family needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.